Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how this fresh aloe vera can be used on skin, particularly on face. Fresh aloe vera is generally very useful for our skin, for the skin which is suffering from inflammation and dryness and acne problem. This can be cured with this fresh aloe vera. So let's begin how to use this. First of all, cut the aloe vera leaf. Now you can see a yellow liquid which is quite harmful for our skin, so we have to remove this. How to remove this? Now keep this aloe vera dipped in water for few hours to remove this yellow harmful materials. Now remove the green portion carefully. After removing the yellow liquid and the green portion, now you can use this transparent material on your skin, on your face, very carefully. Thank you for watching the video.